Find the HCF continuous division method. First of all, we are comparing these numbers. First, which one is the smaller? That is the divisor. In this number, 32 is the smaller. That is the divisor. Next, in these 3, which one is the smaller? 64. 64 is the dividend. 32 2s are 64. Remainder 0. So then take this 32 as divisor. Next, in this to comparing 96, 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 3s are 96. So remainder 0. Next again take 32, 128, 32 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 128, 4s are 128. So remainder is 0. Then HCF is 32.